Well, my brother said to me recently that he has a keyboard that has been sitting there for months, still in its box. So if that's you, go and grab your keyboard, open it up, jump on your keyboard or jump on your piano, and we're going to do some beautiful but easy famous arpeggio intros today. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here on piano. Join me each week for tutorials, and if you enjoy the content, then please subscribe, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment. Oh, and also I'll go and grab our new family member to introduce you to shortly. So our first famous intro, you might like to see if you can guess what this one is, begins on the B pattern. So B, D sharp, F sharp, B, D sharp, F sharp. Let's do that again. Starting from the bottom, going to the top. Then we're going to float over to this B over here as we go. See if you recognize this as we go. And then we're going to add a higher note now, float over to this D sharp. Now I'll let you guess what these are before I flag them in the contents, and see if you can work out just from the very intros what these famous pieces are. Number 2 starts on a G sharp, C sharp and E pattern, and let's have C sharp octaves down here. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Step down to the B bass down here. Then to the A pattern, just for 2 little patterns. A, D and F sharp for the 2 counts there. And then we're going to go to the G sharp, back to the E on the top, to the D sharp on the top, F sharp and E. Finish there. Our third famous arpeggios are going to start on a C pattern and a C bass note down here, C chord up here. Step down B, A, then to the A pattern. So we're going to move from the C pattern to the A pattern. Let's do it again. C note, up and down, B, A bass, and move that right hand. Up again, B, C bass this time, B, A bass, and up again. So have a guess at what those 3 intros are, and then check in the comments to see if you've nailed it. If you'd like to learn more than what I've shared with you, then I'll actually link to some larger videos that extend these famous arpeggios also. Well, I've just woken our little one from asleep. He was deeply asleep. But his name is Archie and he is 9 weeks old, joining our bigger Tauren, who's our husky. And he is a beautiful little puppy, this one. And I'll keep you in the loop with how he's growing and going. Hey. Well, thanks for joining me today. I'll add a link to some more arpeggios in a playlist, and happy music making. Ta-da.